'Di ba? Parang ang weird nun. Again, hindi mo masasabing, "Hindi ko po alam kung ano yung dinadala ko." Eh, bakit mo dadalhin? 'Di ba? Now, I'm not arguing na ang sistema ng Pilipinas, lalo na ang pagpe-perpetuate ng paghihirap ng tao ang isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit napipilitan ng ibang tao para gumawa ng ganitong seemingly unproductive at hindi hindi lohikal na pagsisiyasat, na hindi lohikal na paggawa. Pero a lot of people here in the Philippines are doing their best to make an honest living. Masyado kayong pinapangunahan ng emosyon ninyo. One of the reasons she was sent here ay, sure, there's the diplomatic ties strengthening at that PBBM may pardon her. Alam na nila yan. Isa pa would be so that she would be near her family. But that doesn't mean that she should be pardoned instantly pagdating niya ng Pilipinas. Kasi again, I don't think it is even legally possible to do so. Masyado kayong pinapangunahan ng emosyon ninyo from 2015. It will be a slap on the Indonesian government's facade if you pardon someone they've already convicted and even go as far as to sentence her to death via firing squad. So no,